इतनी सुंदर जगह कहाँ से ढूंढ लिया? एकदम हेवनली एटमॉस्फेयर।
अरे चिन्नम सर, वो तो मैंने इंटरनेट से चेक करके निकाला। दिन रात मेहनत के बाद ये जगह मिली है।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Assam Naga Vlog. So in today video will be only speaking in English. So I may speak even the broken English, but I don't allow anyone to speak mother tongue, father tongue, grandmother tongue. Oh my God, she got accident. From vehicle.
My leg broken.
Sorry ma. Go 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 me.
Go. No.
Go. Oh sorry. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि भाई बहनों को सर हम लोग पिकनिक मनाने के लिए जा रहे हैं, वो भी सुंदर जगह वाटरफॉल, उसी जगह पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं, जाके पिकनिक बनाएगा। आज तो आप लोग को सरप्राइज देने वाला है गाइस, क्योंकि मेरा फ्यूचर वाइफ को दिखाने वाला है। और हम लोग ये वीडियो देखते हैं ना गाइस, देखो कौन से वाले ये 5 4 6 लड़की आया है और इसमें एक तो मेरा फ्यूचर वाइफ है। इसमें आप लोग को दिखाने वाले हैं, आप लोग देखते हैं ना गाइस। अभी तो आप लोग को नहीं दिखाऊंगा गाइस, सो यू हैव टू वेट सम मिनट फॉर शोइंग माय फ्यूचर वाइफ। तो आज तो दिखाऊंगे, आप लोग देखते रहना गाइस कैसे है, और मेरा वाइफ फ्यूचर वाइफ कैसे है आप लोग देख के आप लोग कमेंट में बता दीजिए। और मेरे को मैच नहीं है ना, मैच नहीं है आप लोग बता दीजिए। और अगर आप लोग मैच नहीं है बोलने से वो शादी भी नहीं करेगा। सो एवरीवन प्लीज कीप वाचिंग until the end of this video. So let's go.
I'm back again. Today we are going to picnic with cousins.
And
Brother, sister.
yes. And Gule is going.
I am falling down.
My cousin sister came for enjoying my village from Haflong. From that Razam Kyuki we have to stop and we have to climb outside, okay?
I see water.
Oh, you see water?
I see
Oh.
water.
So this is her first time seeing water in the river. Oh, guys, looking so fresh. See? Yeah, just like her. आज तो वीडियो भी बनाएगा, रील्स भी बनाएगा, सब कुछ बनाएगा। वो क्या है? हाँ ले हाँ। लेकिन very small. Don't speak in your father tongue.
You can see here mushroom, white mushroom.
This is a white
In
mushroom.
our language, we call patak.
Patak. Yeah. Come on, let's leave. But this is too much small. But we may find in somewhere.
We have more.
How many of us? We are 8. Oh, thank you.
8 members.
We are 8 members, including me. We are 8. मैं बोला पहले वीडियो में which one will be my future wife. So after that I will show you. So see, we reach the river and we'll go riverside for looking the beautiful waterfall.
This is Assam Naga block
Back. This is. Hey, what's up, guys? Sida go river.
Okay,
Yeah. We have to follow the river and Sida go river.
okay.
The water also fresh, the river also fresh, and the human being also fresh. Everything is fresh. Let's go.
Hi.
Be careful. The stone is very slip like slipper. Go carefully. Wow, the stone is beautiful. Beautiful stone. Wow. Tell them to hold your hand.
Hi.
Oh, yo. Thank you. Come on. Ah, hey. सब लोग they are feeling tired and someone is crying. And see, guys, without crying no success, guys. We have to cry because every success person they used to cry before they success. So guys, we got the mushroom is beautiful. Yeah. Okay. But this is not khane wala. This is फेंकने वाला guys. देखा? ये तो खाना वाला चीज नहीं है. अगर खाएगा तो जिंदगी दोबारा ना मिले. देखा? लेकिन बहुत सुंदर है. अगर खाने का चीज होता तो हम लोग दबा के खाएगा रे. या चलो guys. देखो यार about to reach the waterfall. देखो beautiful नज़ारा. Finally, we reached the destination and the waterfall. So, which I said about my future wife, and this is mine. Oh my God! And now we are taking out the skin of chicken. So guys, we are making big chicken piece, okay? Because we want to have big. Guys, we are going to make very special. She makes you laugh like I never could. Oh my God! Yeah, so even inside also. Wow, it's really interesting, guys. Yeah. Oh, what sound is that? Oh, it's got. Wow, really interesting, guys. King chili. Actually, this is not king chili. This is Naga chili. Wow. Wow, almost falling down in the ground. अभी हम लोग का खाना हो रहा है. देखा चिकन भी बहुत भरा हुआ है. खाएगा दबा के खाएगा. Gongsan mà Tony.
Gì đó đấy là
एक प्लेट में खाने से बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मजा आता है. Why so naughty? This guy. So naughty, okay? They are still eating. See, they get angry already. See, and her sister is crying, okay, guys. See, because see, everything is destroying. She got angry because they didn't give meat for her, so. We are enjoying a lot. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Everything is done and everything is okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
We had enjoyed very much.